If WhatsApp photos are not saving in the gallery of your device, then what you do is open WhatsApp application, go to these three dotted icons here, go to settings, go to this option storage and data. You can see there is an option here, media auto download, and there are three more options: when using mobile data, when connected on Wi-Fi, when roaming. So select when using mobile data, and here there are options to choose that you can download while using mobile data. For example, photos, audios, videos, document, etc. Now videos will take more megabyte, so it's up to you what things you want to download by using mobile data. Then select OK. Go to when connected on Wi-Fi. Here you can select everything if you want. Similarly, when roaming, here also you can select what you want, but remember, while roaming there will be more charges, so it's up to you what you want to select. OK. After that, go behind and go to chats, and there is an option here, media visibility under chat settings. Make sure to enable this option also. So once you do these things, then the photos from WhatsApp application will save in the gallery.